Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. In today's video I'll show you a FloorMate floor cleaner. It's a hardwood floor cleaner. So in case you guys are looking for a hardwood floor cleaner, then definitely this review will help you. So let's open it and see how it looks and how it works. So let's open it and see. So this one is a hard floor cleaner from FloorMate. So let's open it.
This is from Hoover. This is the
Hoover.
FloorMate Deluxe for the hard floor cleaner. Oh my god, they have two packages, nicely packed. They have got this owner's manual. That's fine. This is, I think, optional FloorMate Deluxe hard floor cleaner. Extra, I think, one attachment they have given.
This is the floor cleaner they have given.
Oh, they have provided a small cleaner also. So that's good. Okay.
So let's open this one.
So this is the attachment on the top one, maybe. You just click to connect. Let me put it here. And then this is the bottom one. Okay, hold on. It's saying assemble handle, right? It's saying this one here. So I take it out. Assemble the handle. Here. If you follow the instructions, I think it can insert only one way. So if you look at this side, so this will be this. Let me see. Okay, you have to get it out like this and then put it in and then tight it. You have to tight it. Let me just it's okay. That's fine. Can you see here? Dry and wash, which is pretty self-explanatory. This is on off. Maybe just press one time on, then press another time off. Bottom it has all this brush which actually will rotate and clean the floor. So one side is a clean tank, other side is a dirty tank. So let's see which side is what.
We will fill up some water.
Yep. So let me see which tank is clean. Okay, this is the way it comes out.
You can fill some water here.
Yeah, let me see which one though. Maybe this one is the dirty one. This one.
Written here.
What is that?
Written here, dirty here. No, they have not written.
Let me see. If you just have to press here, then it opens like this. Right? Oh, this is a measuring. What is that? Measuring gap. Oh, cap. Measuring cap, sorry. Okay, so you have to lock it after putting the solution. I think this left side is the clean water with the solution. Right side is the dirty water. This is handle release. Okay. Do like this, and otherwise just put it like this. Looks nice. So let me see what else we have. So maybe this is to release the brush. So press both sides and then maybe. Yep, the brush is released right now. If you see, the brush is released. So this is how you can change the brush actually.
They have given extra brush?
Not extra brush, but extra attachment. They have given this attachment extra. I think that's for some kind of attached, floor. So to install another brush, just put it like this. Press it. That's it. That's how you can install it again. This one is FloorMate Deluxe. I think this is the placement of, replacement for this one, or we have to attach it. Let me see. Maybe we have to attach it here. Oh, okay. You have to attach it here before using it. Attach the nozzle also.
Okay.
So you have to remove this from the packaging. Remove this one, and then connect it like this. Yep. You just have to press it. It will connect it automatically. Now this is good. So let's put some water and see how it works, right? Measuring cup, that is for the solution, right? So here,
For the solution.
this is a measuring cup. So what will happen here, you just use the solution one cup and then pour it and then fill with water. Fill line. Okay, yeah, it says fill line.
Yeah, we can fill some water here.
Yep. And I will use the solution right now. It has a very good natural smell.
Yeah, it smells really nice.
So I will open it. I'll buy it if I like it. So I will pour. There's a marking, maybe. There's a line actually. So let's see. Okay, the fill line is here. Okay, got it. One, and then I'll put one, mix it, and tight it. Once it's tight properly, it's not okay. Now it's tight. I think so. Yes. Now I'll put it this way. Be careful. Hold on. Okay, now it's locked. You have to be careful. What we can do some test runs in kitchen also. Like if we use the marker, you see the marker and something, you will throw some spices and see if it cleans. So you turn it on by pressing this one. This is dry and wash, right? I will do wash. I will press this one, release this one, and then this one is plain boost. Okay. So if I turn it on, oh yeah, it's cleaning and it's actually cleaning, it's sucking all the water. Actually there are two buttons. One button is this one, one button is this one. I have to see what are the buttons. This button is, let me see. This is a clean boost and this is what I will see. When you start it, it just runs like this, right? But if you press this one, it will release some solution. See, it will become wet.
Otherwise, it will just vacuum.
Yeah. No, if you want to release some solution like that. To release this one, it will just take out the solution, right? It will dry out easily, right? But if you want soft stain, you want extra solution, you press both. So that extra solution is released. Like that, it's simple.
And you can see it collects all the dirty water in that side.
Yeah. So dirty water. Actually, when you put on the wash mode, the brushes go down. But dry mode, the brushes go up. So it's only vacuum, right?
So I'm just adding some ketchup here. So yeah, you can see it's some mess. Now we will clean the floor. Yeah, it cleans really good. So you just have to press this one.
No, this one to release solution. So first press solution and then release it so that it will dry out. If you keep pressing, it will be wet. And then what you can do is to release more solution, you press both like this. But yeah, I can see it cleans up immediately. Can we try with some ink or something?
Crayon mark. It's the crayon mark. Now I'll add some coffee. So we'll clean this mess.
Crayon is not working.
No, the crayon is not working.
Let me try more.
Crayon is not working.
I want it to normal marker. Yeah, markers are okay. I think crayon is a separate kind of.
Yeah, so crayon for we have to try different.
You can see here all this.
All this mess of this coffee and all.
And also, if what you want to do, if there is a spill, it can pick up the spill also. For example, if I have a water spill, it can pick it up. And if anything spill on your, like your curry, gravy, like spill, then it can also clean it up.
Only crayons it's not working, but otherwise the spill water it cleaned.
And it's dry also, almost dry.
Almost dry. And it's cleaned the floor really good, because it cleaned the coffee, the SketchUp, everything it can cleaned. Only the crayon marks left. So far it's a good hardwood floor cleaner. If you are looking for a good hardwood floor cleaner, you can try it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.